Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, October 22nd. It's 3:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see the time and sales here, the E-mini S&P trading at 2045.75. Haven't done a video in a while. Had some technical issues. Anyway, we're back, and I've been plotting some new markets, the gold, and I got data for the DAX. So we've been plotting some charts on the DAX. And we have a pretty good day on the auto trader today, so I'm going to share this video update with you. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, the first chart we have for you is the gold futures contract on the Super Anko 6 tick, and we have a closed P&L of 1,070 on two contracts. I'm just going to scroll back and you can see a couple of the trades here started trading about 9 o'clock. So a couple of small losers to start, followed by a couple of good winners, then a couple of small losers, and then a really solid winner here, and then a little bit here at the end, and then finally close the session. Okay, next up is the DAX, and still working on these charts in the DAX, but nevertheless, the DAX can be a really fast market at times, so that's why these entries look a little bit strange here. This is actually buying on a limit order, which is really critical in the DAX, but this is the first contract target, and this is the second. And the fill was actually down here based on the tail of this bar right here. Notice the timestamp. This was like at the time this got filled, this was a really fast moving market. There was obviously a burst in price, so that's kind of why the fills look a little weird, but want to point out that unlike most of our competitors, our trades have labels on them. So you can tell if the trade was during real market hours or if it was a historical trade on the chart. So we don't play any games by going back after the fact and plotting the trades. These trades occurred in real time. And that's indicated by that there's no H next to the trade. H for historical. All of our trade entries are labeled. So the DAX closing out with $500 P&L on two contracts, and that was all that the hours that I have set on this are somewhat skewed. So really only in 2 hours of trading from 5:45 to 7:30, so less than 2 hours of trading. Okay, next up is the crude oil contract, the December contract on the BWT Super Renko 10 tick. And you can see a couple of nice winners off the open, a small loser, a winner, a small loser, and then a strong close. And I believe it probably hit its profit goal. No, I have a pretty high target on here. So anyway, that was the close of trading, and it closed with 1590 P&L on two contracts. I forgot to mention that this is our line break algorithm. Okay, next up is the crude oil December contract on the Super Renko 10 tick, and we're trading two contracts, and you can see we had a couple of nice winners to start off, a small loser, couple of small losers here, and then a nice winner into the close of the session. So the close P&L today is 1590. Once again, notice the labels on the trades. No H for historical. Okay, the crude oil December contract on the Super Renko 7 tick. Once again, limit orders pulling back. A small loser to begin, followed by a couple of strong winners and a more modest profit goal on this one of 1,200. So the profit goal was hit in just 3 trades. Okay, some modest gains on a couple of other charts, only 260 on the crude oil Uni Renko chart. We eked out a few ticks in the bonds as it was pulled down by a couple of losers here, but then came back with a solid winner into the close for a small gain of 187.50. Okay, the E-mini S&P on the 15-minute chart, currently long 3 contracts with a small profit. The system had been performing really well, but had a drawdown this last week, but looks like the market trying to rally higher. Hopefully we'll see this positive into the close. It's only 10 minutes into the close, so we'll see if they can have a strong finish here. Anyway, this is what the auto trader looks like when it's actually in a trade. Also want to point out that we show our charts with trades, the auto trader actually in a trade. We show our parameters. We try to be as transparent as possible in our videos. Can't really say the same for our competitors. That's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us at bluewavetrading.com or visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching today.